Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest watch purchase. This is the Marloe Solent Windward automatic watch. Now if you're not familiar with Marloe watches, I'm not very familiar with them either. It's a company out of Great Britain. They're actually out of Scotland. And what's great about a company like this is it really comes from Great Britain. There's a lot of companies that say, you know, made here or designed here. But if you look at the address here, this came from the United Kingdom. When I Googled the address, it's actually near Scotland. Came across this watch on a watch forum. I like the look of it. This is my first experience with a Marloe watch. I thought I'd just do an unboxing in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when you get it. So a couple different things in here. Let's take a look. Looks like some information on their watches. Again, Marloe Watch Company. I believe the name is named after a town in England that the founder of this company grew up in. Marlow is the town. Marloe is the name of the company. So again, this is the Solent Windward. It's like a booklet just showing the model itself. I went with the white dial. They do have a black dial model. Wow, look at this presentation. So what I liked about this watch is I liked the look of it. I was looking for a watch that wasn't too dressy, could go dressy or casual. Wanted an automatic movement. I wanted a rubber strap, which is really hard to find on automatic watches unless it's a dive watch. I did not want a dive watch. I wanted a sapphire crystal. You get all of that on here on this watch for $335. That includes shipping from the United Kingdom. So let's go ahead. Let's see if I can get the box open. I just felt like this watch offered a lot of bang for your buck. They are also limited edition watches. What's cool is when you go order the watch, there's 250 that are available, and you can pick the model number of your watch. I went with 95. Several of them were already gone. This card shows some of the specs on the watch that I was going to mention. 42 millimeters, 22 millimeter lug, 10.5 millimeter depth. Has a Miyota 9039 movement. It is a hacking movement, no date. 28,800 beats per hour. Water resistant. No screw down crown. I did not want a screw down crown. Again, I was going for more of a casual watch. So you've got your specs, and then you've got your serial number of your watch. Kind of cool, great presentation. Sometimes you get these watches and it's basically just in a cardboard box. Marloe did a great job with this. And then the watch itself. Wow, that is awesome. I'll say this, as far as presentation goes, I had a Marathon G-SAR before, and Marathon was very much like this. They did a great job of giving you a watch really well presented. Other than Marathon, this Marloe watch is the nicest I've ever seen in terms of what you get, in terms of the boxing. And it cost half the price of the Marathon watch that I bought. So hopefully you're going to be able to see this okay. Let's take that plastic on the crystal. Again, it's a sapphire crystal, it's a flat crystal. Rubber strap, they have a couple different color options you can pick on the rubber strap. I actually like the gray. I thought it went really well with the white dial, and I don't have any watches with the gray strap, so I thought it would be something different to throw on and wear. I try and come up with watches that are different than what I've already got in my collection. You've got the Marloe logo on the clasp, Marloe logo on the bottom of the band, Beyond Expectation, and then Marloe Watch Company written on the inside of it. So they've got a yellow ring around the crystal. Let me see if I can get this plastic off. This is where having fingernails helps. Not sure if you'll be able to see it. They've got this yellow chapter ring around the exhibition case back. It has a quote from somebody, I didn't really know what it was. It's Sir Alec Rose. I guess he was a famous fruit merchant and sailor in England. And that's basically what that quote is around the back. Exhibition case back. And then I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it or not, but the serial number 95 is written on your case back. So let me go ahead and wind it and get it moving. So you can take a look at it while it's ticking. Should also mention the other thing I like is that they put quick release straps on here. So if you were wanting to change out the strap and put on a third-party strap or order another strap from this company, they make it very simple. I wish every watch would go to these quick release straps. I just like the look of it. To me, they did a great job of having a watch that you could throw on and wear dressy. And then it's also got a pop of color. It's got a little bit of yellow in it, which dresses it down a little bit in case you wanted to go more casual. Anyway, that is a quick look at the Marloe Solent Windward watch. I hope the video helps.